This is a molten lava pit, heated to 1,200 degrees Celsius. Hot enough to melt aluminum and incinerate almost anything biological. And this is a standard lithium-ion battery. It powers your phone, laptop, and modern electric cars. We are told never to throw these in the trash. Why? Inside is a massive amount of pressurized energy. Today, we are dropping this battery into the lava. We'll see what happens during a catastrophic failure. Will it melt? Will it explode? Let's start the simulation. Before we drop it, look inside. A battery is a pressurized chemical sandwich. You have the cathode, the anode, and the electrolyte. This liquid is highly flammable gasoline's angry cousin. In a normal fire, a battery might vent gas slowly. But lava is dense. When the battery hits, it will be crushed by heat. Dropping in. 3, 2, 1. Contact. First, observe the casing. The plastic wrapper vaporizes instantly into black smoke. That is toxic hydrofluoric gas. You definitely don't want to breathe that. Wait for it. The heat is transferring. The electrolyte is boiling. The pressure is rising to over 1,000 psi. The safety valve is melting shut. There it is, thermal runaway. That wasn't just a pop, that was a detonation. Those red sparks are the lithium catching fire. This is why EV fires are so hard to put out. The fuel is literally inside the battery. The explosion is over, but look what's left. That charred skeleton is called black mass. It looks like trash, but it's actually a gold mine. Even after being burned, the core metals are still there. They don't burn. If recycled, machines would harvest these metals. Instead, we let valuable resources sink. This is why urban mining is the future. We need to stop throwing these little gold mines away. So, the single battery didn't stand a chance. But what if we scale this up? What happens if we drop an entire EV battery pack? The explosion would be 10 times bigger. We have the simulation engine warmed up. I need you to choose the next victim. Should we melt a diamond to see if it burns? Or should we drop a brand new iPhone? Will the titanium frame survive? Vote in the comments right now. The top comment decides what dies next. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Subscribe for science. Class dismissed. This experiment shows the power and danger of batteries. Recycling them is crucial for resource recovery. Proper disposal prevents environmental damage. The intense heat of lava reveals battery vulnerabilities. Understanding battery chemistry is essential. Join us next time for more explosive science.